Welcome back to Marywood Farm, and today we're making lavender mint scented goat milk soap. So I'm using the heat transfer method, and first of all I'm going to put the lye solution in my hard oils, and I'm going to mix until that is melted. You need to be sure that all of your hard oils are melted thoroughly before you add in your liquid oils, which will be our next step. And now I'm adding the liquid oils to the melted hard oils, and I will be mixing that thoroughly. Now here is when I choose to add my goat milk and any other additives into the soap base. Once I have my soap separated into the colors I'm using, I will add my fragrance oil. I do it this way because sometimes the fragrance oil will make your soap batter act weird. So if I already have the colors separated, it'll be a whole lot easier to just quickly throw it into a mold if needed. Well, that's a wrap for today. If you like this video or have got something from it, leave me a like, comment below, and if you haven't already, won't you consider subscribing? Thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.